One of the stars of the day is the hot pick, and it's here and it's brand new. From a brand that you may or may not know, you're going to see a lot of Timber Ridge is the name of the brand. All right, how many of you like the feel of the escape of a hammock? Yes, a lot of hands going up. How many of you have ever fallen out of a hammock or tried to get into a hammock and like flipped over the other side, went, whoa, or you can't get out of the doggone thing, right? How many of you would like to rock while you're in a chair watching a game? A big tournament that's going on, whether it's soccer or lacrosse. Well, we've got the best of both worlds here, and Kylie's bringing it to us for 5 easy payments of $13.80. It's a brand new kind of category, is it not? What is this, Kylie?
Okay, so what we're bringing you is everything that you love about an actual hammock, but with the ease of the portability of an outdoor chair that you can take with you anywhere you want. You can put this on your balcony if you don't have an outdoor space. You could take it with you to the games and the beaches and everything.
And by the way, by take it, you've got the bag with everything in it.
That's right. Comes with a great bag, only weighs 13 pounds, so it's lightweight to carry with you. You will set it up in a matter of seconds, and when you sit on it, you get the sensation that you are on an actual hammock because it cradles your body, feels like you're almost floating, instant relaxation.
I'll be doggone.
And you can sit upright, or if you adjust these straps right here, Rick, we can actually lay backwards a little bit more to truly feel like we're laying in a real hammock.
It's a single hammock effect if you want the whole thing. In the gray, we have it for you.
So you can see the colors.
This is our navy. It's available. It's brand new. Didn't bring a lot of these in today. This is the black, and then this is the classic red with the matching bag. That's coming with it. Now 500 to go around in the brand new red. All right, there's the color story. Here's how easy this is to transport.
Yeah, so when it comes to you, it'll be inside of its bag. It's super easy for you to transport right there. You've got a great carrying strap that goes right on you. Again, only weighs 13.2 pounds, so it's ultra lightweight. And I actually have one opened out of the bag to show you how easy it is to put together, because that's always a question that people ask. But here's what we love about this. The frame, fully assembled when it comes to you. So all you have to do is open it up. You'll hear it click into place, and that's the most important part because you want to make sure it's locked into place.
What's the weight limit on this?
300 pounds. So to unlock it there, that's all we do. So when you get it home, open it up. You'll hear it lock into place, and it says lock on it, so you'll know the position. Then the next thing you do, Rick, is you actually grab the chair itself. It will hang on the sides. You literally just pop it over one, pop it over the other, and now you have your chair fully assembled. 600D polyester, fully metal construction with the frame, so it's strong, sturdy, and durable. And what I love too is when you look at the base of it, you have 6 points of contact with the ground. So each side has 3. I'll turn it so you can see it. That's what gives it that stability.
Well, I will tell you, I have no fear of flipping back on this thing. I feel really comfy in it. I'm 6'2", over 200 pounds. And I feel really comfortable. It holds me just fine.
Yeah.
It's really comfy.
It's so comfortable, and it's so funny.
It's a rocket. I've got my own personalized hammock.
You do. You have your own personalized hammock, and then that would all go back into the bag. But I'm going to sit with you too and just talk about it. So when you're going to get into it, the best thing I suggest, put your hands right here. You're going to feel that this is reinforced, so there's metal bars inside of here, and it's cushioned, so it feels really good. It's obviously going to move a little bit, so just sit down slowly. You can pop your arms on there. It is unbelievably comfortable. The second you sit down, it's like instant relaxation.
I will tell you that we used to have one in our backyard.
Yeah.
No, we used to have a hammock.
Oh, an actual hammock?
Yeah, absolutely.
Like attached to trees?
No, it had a stand. We used to offer, it was the name of the brand, but it had a metal stand. It was like $500 or $600. Yeah. And it had a big metal stand. You put the hammock on. It was really pretty, but getting in that thing was a beast. Getting out of it was a beast.
Yeah.
Like you could there's a trick to it. There's no real trick. Could you get up and get down again and show me?
So what I would say when you're getting out too, just hold on to the metal bars right here, and then literally you're just going to stand right up.
All right.
So super easy. Hold on to them. Sit down. That's all you have to do.
All right. And now I'm comfy. I've got room to relax and kick back.
Yeah.
Navy is going quickly. Brand new. Navy 1,100 to go around. You're in the gray. There's gray. Fewer than 1,000 in the gray. Brought a lot of these in.
Yeah.
Black, 1,200, and then the red, 500 for our home and garden event. Tell me about this brand. Tell me about this concept within this Timber Ridge brand.
Yeah, you got it. So Timber Ridge is actually a division of Westfield Outdoors, which you've probably heard of. They've been around for over 20 years, and they are leading officials in all things outdoor, camping gear, all of that. They're headquartered right in Indianapolis.
Yeah.
So it's a great American company right there. And you can see whether it's on your back patio, whether you're going to the beach, whether you're watching the game, whether you're camping, this is portable. You take it with you. You will, quote unquote, set it up literally in seconds. You open up the frame. It's fully assembled. assembled, just make sure it's in the locked position. Take the chair, hang it over the hooks that you have on the side, and then you're ready to sit in it, and you can sit upright or you could relax back too.
Lake house.
Yes.
Long tournament, backyard, by the pool, sitting around the campfire, right? The big weekend. I used to go to this, used to take our boys, it was an adventure guides weekend, fathers and sons.
Oh, fun.
A weekend like that, right? Just kicking back. Everybody's got a chair, but you've got this hammock rocking chair. So now we're in the hammock mode, which a lot of chairs don't have,
and
right?
I'll show you that when we come back too. So yeah, a lot of chairs, you're in that upright position. What's unique about a hammock chair too is that it cradles your body. So it's gonna be individual to each one of us, right? So when you sit in it, it's like having that actual hammock. That's what gives you that almost free floating feel. That's like instant relaxation. To me, when I sit in it, I feel the pressure off my knees, the pressure off my back. I can put my arms right here, but there are little straps right here, and literally you just pull them out to release them down into that laying down position. So now I have them fully released. So when I lay back in it, you're gonna notice I'm gonna lay even more. And now I feel like I'm literally laying in an actual hammock. I'm just using my feet to push off the ground for that swaying motion. And it is so comfortable that you could fall right asleep.
That's
like
great.
I could just, you can do the rest of the presentation and I'll just lay right here.
You're in zero gravity world right now, right?
But if I wanna sit back up, I literally grab the straps, just pull them. They'll go tight right there, grab this one. And now I'm in that upright position again.
It's F44545, brand new to Q, never been seen before, holds 300 pounds,
Yes.
folds up, comes with a bag, take it anywhere, and very, very comfy. So it's not too small for someone like me. It's also not too difficult to get back out of again. It's actually easy to get in and get out. So here's a navy that's most popular if you want it. About 1,100 to go around. Here's that red, bright red, most limited, the black, and then there's that gray.
And again, you get the bag too, so easy for you to take with you, doesn't take up a lot of room, only weighs 13 pounds, but can hold 300 pounds, which is amazing because it's a ton of reinforcement inside of it. 600D polyester too, which is a really, really strong material, so you feel the comfort in the construction. And then I'll show you again, when you get it home, you're just gonna open it up. It'll be in two pieces. Fully assembled base, that is a metal alloy construction. You literally open it up.
Oh, that's
hear it
nifty.
lock into place.
Oh, I like that a lot.
3 points of contact too on each side.
Dude, fold it up again, just so everybody like that. So that goes right into the bag.
Right into the bag.
Oh, that's nice.
That's it. It's so nice. It glides beautifully. You'll hear that lock into place.
Okay, here comes
and
the
then
chair.
your chair is all one-piece construction. You're going to notice there are metal grommets on the side. They just go over one here.
Grommet goes
one
over
here.
that.
Yep. And that's it. That is
That's
your
it.
installation. You can notice on the back, reinforcement here. You've got great stitching, padding in the chair itself. So when you sit in it, it hugs and cradles your individual body and allows you to sway like you're in a hammock.
And then when you come over to the gray here, show us a little sitting in our hammock tutorial.
You got it.
Now you
This way.
folded it back up again, goes
Fold it
back
back
in the
up.
bag, goes
then
to your destination. And
Here's
now,
my suggestion. Hold on to these guys right here. These are cushioned, metal reinforced. Sit down, and now you can sway. It's so comfortable.
Very good. Okay, we're gonna wrap up at 44545. Hot pick on the day. All colors are still here and available. Last 40 seconds on this brand if people have never heard of it before.
So Timber Ridge, offshoot of Westfield Outdoors, one of the leaders in outdoor and camping equipment here in the U.S. And what we brought to you was a hammock chair, all of the feel of laying in an actual hammock, but the ease of a portable chair.
Thank you so much, Kylie.
You're welcome so
We got
much.
more coming up, by the way, in the second hour and a big day. All about home and garden. Still to come. Carolyn Gracie's back at Q.